Update 1 on Hurricane Marie. Marie is located at 14.30 north, negative 115.10 west, as of 1400 PDT this 30 September 2020. Marie has winds of 75 miles per hour and a pressure of 988 millibars. The storm is moving west and is a TCDR rating 1. No damage expected from the storm in the next 5 days. Distance in miles right now: 681 from Cabo San Lucas, 747 from La Paz, 782 from Puerto Vallarta, 1,374 from Los Angeles, and 2,849 from Honolulu. There are no watches or warnings currently in effect for Marie. In 24 hours, Marie will continue its rapid intensification to become a Category 3 major hurricane. In 48 hours, the storm will likely be peaking as a Category 4 hurricane and then weaken after that. That's all I have for Hurricane Marie. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.